Hey there, I'm Onoho UI. Welcome to Framerhall, your new home for mastering everything about Framer, the no-code website design tool that is changing the industry already. So if you're a designer, a developer, or someone who is just curious about creating stunning website without writing a single line of code, this channel is for you. Framerhall is where creativity meets simplicity. On this channel, I'll break down everything you need to know, from the basics of getting started to advanced tricks for creating interactive prototype, dynamic animation, and fully responsive websites. I'll also be sharing insights on how to use Framer like a pro, tips to optimize your entire design workflow, and even how to leverage it for client projects and businesses. So don't worry, I'll keep it simple, actionable, and most importantly, fun. Because it's not just about designing websites, but about building experiences. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you are a complete beginner or you're looking to take your skills to the next level. Remember, Framerhall isn't just about tutorials. It's about inspiring you to create, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what's possible in web design. So, expect regular uploads, Q&A sessions, deep dive into real-world projects, and also a community where you can grow and share ideas. Now, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and join me on this exciting journey. Let's make web design more accessible, creative, and I dare say, fun. Welcome to Framerhall.